What's up, all my H2 peeps? We are excited to kick off the summer with another giveaway. One of our supporters enjoyed doing a giveaway so much with us last time that they decided to do another one. Not only that, but they are giving away an awesome portable inhalation device. This is the QLife H2 Respire, and it is a portable H2 inhalation unit. It produces 150 milliliters of pure H2, but also comes with attachments to breathe oxyhydrogen or Brown's gas. I've tested this product thoroughly through my company H2 Hub, and it is one of our recommended products. I've done an unboxing, a demo, and test video that you can watch on our H2 Hub YouTube channel. There, you can get all the information you need about this product. I also made a video recently explaining their Brown's gas attachment. This product is a $1,300 value that you can get for free. Also, QLife generously offered 2 more giveaway products for a second and third place winner. Not only do you have the chance to win the H2 Respire, but also their H2 tablets for second place and H2 Mist for third place. All of these giveaways are pretty cool H2 products. So let's get into how this giveaway is going to work. This time around, we're actually doing a giveaway caption contest. So get your creative juices going because we want to see your best caption for this picture. So as you can see, it's a picture of me breathing hydrogen gas from the QLife H2 Respire device. Am I tired? Am I sleeping? Am I relaxing? Well, that's up to you to come up with the caption. We want to see something clever and accurate about hydrogen. Here are the rules. Number 1, subscribe to this channel and comment on this video with your prize-winning caption. Number 2, go to the QLife link in the description of this video to register for the contest. You will need to enter your YouTube username and email so we can contact you if you win. Number 3, share this video on your favorite social media platform with your friends and ask them to like your comment. We will select the winner based on which comment has the most likes. If there so happens to be a tie for a winner, we will pick the winner of the tie randomly. So that's it. Easy, right? We will announce the winners July 19th at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, right here on a YouTube Live. We are so excited to see your captions and to bless someone with the free hydrogen inhalation machine. Speaking of hydrogen inhalation machines, if you want to skip the contest and go straight to getting your own H2 Respire, QLife is giving our followers 15% off, which is nearly $200 off, their H2 inhalation device. So you can go to the link in the description and type in H2 Respire 15 to get your 15% off. That's H2 Respire 15 for almost $200 off the H2 Respire 150 from QLife. Can't wait to see your captions.